a whole new thing here. This is what I'm calling an unboxing deconstructed. That's right, I've been flying this Potensic drone for about a week or so, and I'm gonna do an unboxing, tell you what comes with this MORE/FLY combo, and then at the same time, I'm gonna share with you my experience and thoughts on these different components which come with that MORE/FLY combo. So I know you wanna know about the drone, so we're gonna do that later, of course. Let's talk about one of my big highlights, which goes as a underestimated thing, but I really do find it changes your experience with the drone. This charger, which comes with 3 batteries when you get the MORE/FLY combo, and they will all keep you under that 250 gram mark. They give you a tremendous fly time, but the reason I'm so excited about this charger is so fast, it's crazy. I'm so used to my DJI chargers and stuff and that pace, and I wiped out all 3 batteries, I put them in there, I went inside the house, I came back out like, I don't know exactly what it was, but I feel like it was like a half hour, 45 minutes later, and they were charged, and I was like, whoo, we could go fly again. So it was really cool. I think that's a really good value in terms of what comes in the MORE/FLY package. Let's talk quickly about this remote. I love this remote. I've done a Potensic drone before, and it had this remote, and I still love this remote. In case you're curious, my Galaxy S23 Ultra does fit in here just fine. That's how big this expands to. I love the placement of the image in the video in the middle. That's great. The rest of it's all very conventional with the controllers, the sticks, the start the video, start the photography, move the gimbal up and down. All of that is very standard to what you're used to, except you have that nice big image in the middle of your screen. The MORE/FLY comes with this really nice bag, which everything fits in. Speaking of MORE/FLY, it comes with 3 sets of blades, if you include the one that's on the drone itself, as well as the hardware to replace those blades. That's all really good. Lots of cables and cords. This is a USB-A to USB-C, as well as 2 for the remote, whether you're Apple world or the better Android world. These are like a nice, thick, good quality cable, not something cheap that's gonna break on you or you're gonna wear out. Has a little bit of an unusual plug for the battery charger, but who cares? It works so well, whatever it is, unusual or not. All right, let's talk about the drone. I know you wanted to talk about the drone. So the drone is phenomenal, and the value is crazy amazing for what it is. Obviously, under the 250 grams, the flight time's incredible to control. The latency, there's like no latency. It's really easy and great to control. The functions work really well. I did find, in terms of the gimbal, the smoothness of your image and the quality of the image is outstanding. I did find a couple times it got kind of stuck with the horizon, not exactly squared away, but you just kind of adjust the drone, it fixes that. And I'm reasonably sure that's the kind of thing they will fix with firmware as we go forward. The flight time was great, return to home, spot on. There really was nothing that didn't work really well with this drone. It's really nice and quiet too. And another thing which I think is really great, it comes with an SD card. I think that is a real value. I don't know why they don't come with SD cards, but this MORE/FLY combo does come with its own SD card already in there. Overall, if you're looking for a complete package for an advanced beginner, or somebody's getting into drones, or you're starting to do vlogging and you're going on vacation, you want to have some great images, something that you could use anywhere, this is a phenomenal package to start with, to move up to. I'm keeping this one. This one is so fun. This is going in the garage. I'm going to use it every once in a while. This is just such a great balance. I hope this unboxing deconstructed has been interesting for you. All right, we'll see you next time.